shoelaces loose on the curbs and on the taxi sign. No plan in my pocket, just your name in my mind. Corner store window reflection.
If you have used tools like Suno AI, you already know that making a great song can take less than a minute today. But the real challenge starts when you try to create a matching music video. If you have ever tried to generate a multi-scene video using standard AI generators, you know how frustrating it can be. You end up jumping between different image generators, animation tools, and editing software, just trying to keep your main character from looking like a completely different person in every single shot. It becomes a slow, disconnected process that breaks your creative flow. Today, we are changing that approach. And this time, I'm challenging myself to create a polished music video in less than 30 minutes. I'm going to take a bedroom pop song I generated in Suno, and we are going to build a cohesive anime music video for it. And we are doing this entirely inside a single visual canvas in a tool called Buzzy AI. What makes Buzzy AI different is that it directly solves the massive frustration of character morphing and broken workflows. Instead of standard random text-to-video tools, Buzzy focuses on control and consistency. Instead of writing prompts into a blank text box and just hoping for the best, we are going to visually plan, storyboard, and generate our entire sequence on one interactive board. So, let's walk through the exact step-by-step pipeline. We start on the Buzzy homepage interface. It has a clean layout with a text box window in the middle. In this drop-down menu, we have three modes: Agent Mode, Video Generator, and Image Generator. Buzzy integrates advanced image models like GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana 2 for image generation, and giants like Google Omni, Seedance, Sora 2, and Kling 3.0 to manage our text and workflow logic. I'm really excited to try out Seedance 2.5 here. Buzzy is actually the first website to offer this latest cinematic video model, which gives us highly realistic motion rendering. Honestly, all three are amazing on their own, but for this demo, I have a very specific workflow in mind, so I'm going to use the manual workflow by hitting the New Project button. This immediately opens our infinite visual canvas. We still have the Buzzy agent on the left sidebar, and here on the canvas, we can simply right-click anywhere and create a node for text, image, video, or even voiceover audio generation. So, I have this Japanese-inspired bedroom pop song from Suno AI that I really like, and I want to create a music video for it. The idea I have in mind is an 80s anime-style visual. A tall young male character walking through quiet suburbs with an overall nostalgic atmosphere. So, for all of that, we are going to generate the assets right here within the canvas. Here's the song I have, and I want to create the music video up until the second verse appears, so the total duration will be around 1 minute. I'm going to use the Seedance 2.5 model to create our video within Buzzy, which is actually the first website to offer this latest model. However, since the Seedance 2.5 model has a maximum duration of 30 seconds for a single video clip, the first step is to upload this song as 2 trimmed audio portions, each around 30 seconds long. Okay, now our song is on the canvas, and it's time to create our visual assets. First, we need to set up our character. For this, I'm going to right-click and create a node for image generation. Here we have a small prompt box, so I'm going to type the prompt for our protagonist. In the settings, I'm going with the latest GPT Image 2 model, 4K quality, and square format for now. Then I hit Generate. Oh man, that is terrific. The character is exactly how I imagined him, although the atmosphere feels a little more urban than I want. Once he is generated, the next thing we need to create is a 3-view reference sheet. So I'm going to create another image node and link it to our initial character image. We need our character to stay consistent throughout the music video, and creating a 3-view reference sheet helps lock his facial features and outfit from the front, side, and 3/4 angles, so he does not change from shot to shot. Again, I'm using the same model in 4K quality, but for this one, I need the image to be horizontal. Oh yeah, that looks so good. This will help lock him in for our video. This is the step most AI music videos skip, and it is usually why the main character starts looking like a different person after every cut. When I click on the image we generated, you will notice there is an option called 9 Grid. This is Buzzy's built-in option for generating multi-angle character sheets. Let's check out this multi-camera 9 Grid. Look at that. It gives us a sheet of the same character from different camera angles, even a top view angle looking down. Unfortunately, this image is cropped, and I do not see an option to select the aspect ratio. That may be because the term grid is more associated with a square format, but it would definitely be nice to have this uncropped. If anyone comes across a way to control that, let me know in the comments. However, it is still a valuable asset for our project, because the more visual references we use for the same character, the more consistent our protagonist is going to be in the final video. So now we have our character fixed, and that grid actually brings us to the next step. Creating the storyboard. My core idea is to have our character walking through the neighborhood, wandering around during sunset. So now, let's create the image frames that will showcase that storyline before we animate everything. Since we will be creating 2 video clips for the 2 audio portions, we need to generate 2 separate 9-square storyboard grids on the canvas. These will act as the visual foundation for both video clips. I'm going to create another image node and pull connections from the character images we created on the canvas. For the first grid, covering the verse and pre-chorus, we want a reflective feel. So I'm going to set up a low-angle tracking camera showing our character walking down a quiet street. We will also set the lighting preset to soft afternoon sun. Look at that! It absolutely nailed the vibe. Honestly, I was a little worried that it might carry over the modern urban atmosphere from our initial character image. But no, it understood the assignment and the goal perfectly, and gave us the exact soft 80s afternoon vibe I wanted. Pitch perfect. For our second storyboard, just like before, I'm going to connect the nodes. And since I really like the vibe that the first storyboard established, I'm also going to use that as a reference for the second storyboard as well. This time, covering the chorus, I want to change the camera angles to wider and more dynamic views as the character walks along a riverside path and crosses a pedestrian bridge. So let's type in the prompt and generate. Okay, here we are. It is perfectly aligned with what I prompted, but right now, it looks a little too golden. I feel like it might create too much of a visual jump from the first video clip, so let's adjust the prompt a bit, tone it down, and regenerate. Wow, how awesome is that? This looks much better. All it took was a little bit of prompt tweaking, and now both clips feel consistent with each other. I'm very happy with our assets, but now it's time to animate them. This is the moment where most AI video workflows usually break. We have the song, the character, and the storyboard. But the question is whether the final video can keep everything connected once motion is added. So finally, we need to bring in our video generation nodes. 2 of them, actually, 1 for each audio clip. First, I'm dragging a link from our first 30-second audio node directly into our first video generation node. Next, we connect our first afternoon walk storyboard to that same video node. To make sure the AI knows exactly what our character looks like, we also draw connection lines from our character reference assets, the original portrait, the 3-view sheet, and the multi-angle camera grid, directly into the video node. Now let's type in the animation prompt. You can see that I'm referencing our storyboard with the @ symbol to make sure the video aligns with it. For the settings, I'm going with Seedance 2.5 as the video generation model, which is perfect for handling complex motion rendering. We will set the duration to 30 seconds for our verse and pre-chorus, choose 1080p quality, and use a 16:9 aspect ratio. And while that is generating, I'm going to repeat the exact same process for our second clip. We drag a line from audio 2 and connect it to our second video generation node. Then, we link our golden hour sunset storyboard image, along with our character references, directly to the second video card. For this one, I'm going to select 4K quality and hit generate. Here we are. Let's check them out.
Shoelaces loose on the curbs and on the taxi sign. No plan in my pocket, just your name in my mind. Corner store window reflection, my face looked half asleep. Still I kept on drifting, like the street was keeping me. And the day turned cold, Walk me home, slow glow. Walk me home, slow glow. No map, no need, just you and me. Walk me home, slow glow. Walk me home, slow glow. Soft as rain, I could stay this way. Old bike leaning sideways by a fence with peeling
That is
paint.
so smooth. It perfectly retains the 80s retro anime vibe, and there is no morphing or glitching at all. Right now, it looks a little more muted and slower paced than I originally envisioned. But visually, it looks stunning. It is pretty dynamic, with multiple shots and camera angles. But the character still stays visually consistent across every single camera angle. So yeah, that's Buzzy AI. And what makes this manual node workflow so useful is the level of control it gives you. Instead of relying on random generations, you can organize, connect, and edit your project files visually. While we used it today to build an 80s anime music video, this Canvas pipeline is also very practical for planning short films, commercial ads, social content, and other multi-scene video projects. If you want to try Buzzy Canvas and use the Seedance 2.5 model yourself, the link is right at the top of the description below and pinned in the comments. Let me know what you think of this platform and subscribe for more like this, and I will see you in the next video.
Shoelaces loose on the curbs and on the taxi sign. No plan in my pocket, just your name in my mind. Corner store window reflection, my face looked half asleep. Still I kept on drifting, like the street was keeping me. And the day turned cold on the block, I know. My heart got slow when the shadows grew low. Walk me home, slow glow. Walk me home, slow glow. No map, no need, just you and me. Walk me home, slow glow. Walk me home, slow glow. Soft as rain, I could stay this way. Old bike leaning sideways by a fence with peeling paint.